Got vitamin D? Dairy products aren't the only good sources of this important disease-preventing vitamin. Natural health care practitioner Mark Mincolla is here with more on vitamin D. Good to see you, Mark.
Good to be here.
There have been a lot of studies that have come out recently about all the benefits of vitamin D.
There have, absolutely. State University of New York researchers are shrinking breast cancer cells right now with vitamin D.
Wow. And does that all translate for humans?
Well, you know, animal studies are a little bit easier, of course, in terms of getting rid of cancer with an animal, not the same as with a human being. But they certainly indicate that vitamin D is real important for the immune system. Again, previous studies, lowering risk for MS, diabetes, really important vitamin.
All right. So how do you get some vitamin D if you need it?
Well, there's a lot of great sources. We wanted to mention that there are available sources in the dietary place of wild salmon, of course, a lot of vitamin D in wild salmon, sardines. Fortified orange juice, a great place to get vitamin D. Organic eggs, and why organic? Obviously, because they have a higher concentration of vitamin D. They're not as depleted in a lot of their nutrients as some of the highly processed eggs. Also, the sun. You know, we're talking about 10 to 30 minutes twice a week, and all we're looking for there is indirect exposure. You don't have to have direct exposure. Great on cloudy days, great in the winter as well.
So you just have to get outside.
Just be outside, absolutely. We're meant to be out there.
Get out and have a little bit. Are most people vitamin D deficient?
Yeah, you know, a recent study from the Albert Einstein School of Medicine recently, last year, actually found that 60% of our children under the ages of 12 are vitamin D deficient.
Wow. And how about, you talk about that orange juice, which might be one of the easiest things that people can do, fortified with the calcium, the vitamin D. Right. How much of that do you have to drink to get what you need? Well,
you're going to get 1,000 IUs, generally speaking, the average dietary supplied day. If, you're getting your fortified milk, you're getting your OJ, getting outside a little bit, pretty easy to get 1,000 IUs a day. So it doesn't take a whole lot, but you got to work at it.
All right. And should you take a supplement instead?
I think really important news these days, a lot of researchers are suggesting that we ask our physicians to test us to determine whether or not we have deficiencies. If we do, absolutely supplement.
All right. And on another note, you have a new radio show that's happening on the weekends. Tell us about that.
Indeed. It's called The Natural Health Show. It's on WTKK 96.9 FM. It's on 5 o'clock on Sunday nights. Very interesting show. We're bringing people a lot of the similar information that we bring them here.
So 5 o'clock Sunday nights, can people call in with their questions?
Absolutely they can.
All right, sounds good. Mark Mincolla, good to see you. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
And for more information on vitamin D and other subjects, be sure to check out Mark's website at maxhealing.com.